Hi guys, so another tutorial here. We're going to tie a turban with twists. Fold it once the first time, then second one, third one, the last one. Place it on your head like this. Go to the back, you tie. You're tying just once, so that it's going to be very, very tight. Okay, try not to touch your eyebrow when you're tying. It's firm now. Then we just get our twist. This is shorter than this part because that's the kind of look I'm going for. Then we twist. Okay, you don't twist so much, something simple. Beautiful. Okay, fold it into the back. So we fold it neatly, and then you take the second one, fold it, and take it to the back just like you did with the first one. Then we're done. You can adjust whatever you want. For me, I like it this way. What do you guys think? So I and my friend were trying to have the twist in a different angle to see if it will come out looking better. As you can see, we're just deliberating on whether to put it on the left hand side or the right hand side, and then we just settled for this part because I feel it looks a bit, finer. I don't know, what do you think? You can say it in the comment section. So yeah, this is what we decided to go for. Let's fix this last part in here and we are done. So guys, this is how you tie your turban. I hope you like it.